In this question, you have to identify where can we find the cuboidal epithelium with brush border of microvilli. Option A, proximal convoluted tubule of nephron. The cuboidal epithelium with a brush border of microvilli is found in the proximal convoluted tubule or the PTC of the nephron in the kidneys, and these microvilli increases the surface area for reabsorption of water, ions and other substances during urine formation. Hence, this is the correct option. Option B, Eustachian tube. This is incorrect because this tube is lined by ciliated pseudostratified columnar epithelium and not cuboidal epithelium with microvilli. Option C, lining of intestine. This is also incorrect because the lining of the small intestine contains columnar epithelium with microvilli but not cuboidal epithelium. Option D, ducts of salivary gland. This is also incorrect because the ducts of salivary glands are generally lined by simple cuboidal or columnar epithelium, but they do not have a brush border of microvilli.